driven by the same desire to improve your competitiveness. By automating processes with innovative ideas and complete solutions, we set the pace for the industrial Internet of Things. As a family business, we think and plan for the long term. Our strategies are made for the future. We innovate our customers' automation with our high-quality products, logistics, sales operations, and services. With power, precision, and experience, we have become a global leader in the field of automation solutions. We ensure continuous progress with leading-edge technology and go with you the path of digitalization. Our services are created to support you anywhere in the world. Balluff, innovating automation. The human body relies on its senses to coordinate and control every movement with phenomenal automatic precision. We are driven by the same desire to improve your competitiveness. By automating processes with innovative ideas and complete solutions, we set the pace for the industrial Internet of Things. As a family business, we think and plan for the long term. Our strategies are made for the future. We innovate our customers' automation with our high-quality products, logistics, sales operations, and services. With power, precision, and experience, we have become a global leader in the field of automation solutions. We ensure continuous progress with leading-edge technology and go with you the path of digitalization.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for taking the time to join our webinar today. My name is Kawi, and I'm a sales engineer from Balluff, Singapore. In today's section, I'll be introducing the BOS R072K photoelectric sensor, which is part of our entry-level portfolio. This product is designed to deliver reliable performance while maintaining a competitive price point, making it suitable for a wide range of industrial applications. Before we go into the product details, let's first understand why photoelectric sensors are so important in automation environment. In automation, object detection is one of the most fundamental and essential tasks. Photoelectric sensors, which is used for detection, are widely used across industries because they are versatile and easy to integrate into systems. For example, in intralogistics or conveyor system, sensors are often placed at regular intervals. Sometimes they are placed every meter. This is used to track the object movement. In high-speed or multi-axis machines, such as those used in the food or pharmaceutical productions, it's commonly you can see 20 to 30 sensors operating simultaneously. As systems become more and more complex, especially with a robotic and visual integration, the numbers of sensors can be increased even further. Because of this, customers are looking for sensors that are not just reliable, but also cost-effective when deployed in the large quantities. With Balluff, the goal is to deliver exactly what the customer needs, but not over specification, but also not compromise on the quality. The BOS entry R072K is designed to strike the balance, offering dependable performance while keeping costs under control. This is especially important in applications where many sensors are required and overall system cost become a key consideration. Now, let's look at the cost strength of this product. The BOS R072K delivers four key advantages: wider range, faster response, flexible configuration, and reliable performance. These four aspects are critical for most industrial sensing applications, especially where there are variations in object type, speed, and environment. Let's go into each of these benefits in more details. One of the key advantages is the extended sensing range of R72K, especially when detecting the dark object. The dark surface typically absorb more light and making them harder to detect for the standard photoelectric sensor. With the BOS R72K, we achieve a longer sensing distance compared to many alternatives, which help to reduce misdetection. This means customers can achieve reliable detection without needing to upgrade to more expensive sensor model. Overall, this improves both performance and cost efficiency in the real-time application. Another important improvement is the very small blind zone. In general, the R72K has a blind zone which is less than 5 mm. A smaller blind zone means the sensor can detect object more consistently even when the object position varies slightly. This is especially useful in a dynamic environment where objects may not always follow a perfectly fixed path. In addition, the sensor is less affected by factors such as object color, shape, or material. As a result, users can achieve a more stable and predictable detection performance. Next, BOS R72K also offers a fast response time, which is 0.5 milliseconds. This fast switching capability makes it well suited for the high-speed applications, such as conveyor system and automated sorting line. By ensuring quick detection and response, the sensors help improve overall production efficiency and it reduces error in fast-moving process. In terms of flexibility, the sensor offers multiple connection options, including cable, connectors, and picture variants. This allows users to select the most suitable configuration for their installation requirement. In addition, the availability of infrared light helps reduce the influence of environmental factors, making it suitable for application when involving human interaction. Different sensing principles are also available, such as the true beam and the diffuse modes, and also the background suppression model. All are quoted at the same price level. So, beyond performance and flexibility, reliability is really where this sensor stands out. It's designed to remain stable even under strong ambient light. In general, it's up to around 5,000 lux, which is actually much higher than the typical factory lighting system. So, in most real environment, you can expect very consistent detection. It also comes with the multiple international certification, so it's suitable for the global project without additional concerns. Overall, it gives you a very robust, dependable sensing solution. Now then, We have covered the main benefits. Let's quickly go through the key features of the product. I will focus on the practical aspect that matters for installation and daily usage. So, in terms of the features, we have a highly visible LED indicator on the back of the sensors, the green light for operation stability, and yellow for the output. So, it's very easy to check the status at a glance. There's also a visible red light option, which makes the alignment and setup much easier. Adjustment is also simple. You only need a potentiometer to do the adjustment for the sensitivity. And there's also a NO or NC switch that will be on the back of the sensors. The housing is IP67 rated, so it's suitable for most of the industrial environment. And mechanically, it's quite straightforward. It has a standard mounting holes and common connector option, so the integration is quite easy. From a technical perspective, the BOS R072K support multiple sensing principles, is including turbine, reflective, diffuse, energetic, and also the background suppression type. Sensing distance can go up to 20 meters depending on the model, so it covers a wide range of application. Both PNP and NPN output option with a switching frequency of 1000 Hz are available. It operates within standard industrial voltage and temperature range. And again, it comes with a global certification. So overall, technically, it's quite flexible and ready for most of the usage. Another key point is a wide range of the various variable. You can choose different sensing types, output option, connection format, whether it's a cable, connector, or pigtail. There are also a red light and infrared version depending on your application needs. So essentially, this gives you the flexibility to match the sensor precisely to your system. In addition to the sensors, we also offer a complete set of accessories. This includes cable, connectors, mounting bracket, and reflectors. So, from the installation to operation, everything is covered as a complete solution, which simplifies the engineering and also the deployment. Now, let's take a look at where this sensor is typically used. BOS entry R072K is not limited to a specific application. You will commonly see it used in the intralogistic, battery production, automotive, and some packaging industries. These are also areas where sensor volume is very high, so the cost performance is especially important for us. For examples, in a conveyor system or a material handling systems, is used to detect object presence. Because of its strong performance with a dark or angled object, you reduce a misdetection, and with a fast response time, it helps improve overall line efficiency. In the battery production lines, the sensor is used to detect the module present and positioning. Here, detection stability is very critical, especially the assembly line is in a compact space. The small blind zone help to ensure more stable detection, even when the alignment isn't that perfect. Next, in the automotive assembly, is typically used for position detection or presence detection, such as a tire detection. With an IP67 protection glass, it will be more stable in a harsh environment application. Of course, there are also some applications where the sensor is not so suitable. For example, in a very harsh environment such as high temperature, heavy dust, or strong vibration, is also not so recommended for the welding application due to the heat and sputter on the washed-out environment with a frequent high cleaning is also not so suitable. So during the selection, these are the most important thing to be considered. Once again, BOS R072K come with a 4 key advantage, which are wider range, faster, flexible, reliable. All these sensors are positioned at an excellent price performance ratio. Hopefully, our product will help you. Here come to the end of my slide. Thank you for your attention. Feel free to drop your question in the chat. We'll come back to you. Once again, thank you for your time.